Hey folks and all my fellow Menomonee Falls community members, I just wanted to drop a quick video here and let you know that Menomonee Falls is hosting a National Night Out Festival on Tuesday, August 6th at 5:30 p.m. Now, my name is Chris Dietz with Dietz Estates by Realty, and remember my contact information is always down in the description down below. You can call, text, email, or book an appointment right to my calendar. So what's this festival for? Well, this festival is a night out for a family and your family friends to come out and have a good time and support the local law enforcement. And it starts out over behind me at John S. Taylor Park for a remembrance at 5:30 for all of the 138 fallen servicemen and women that have ended their watch. And after that, you're going to come back over here to Village Park, where we have been before in a previous video regarding Lavender Fest, if you remember. And they're going to have all kinds of activities here for both young and old. So you can come here and you can get some food, drinks. They'll have ice cream, treats, and they'll have adult beverage over at the beer garden across the way there. Let's see what else we got going on. They're going to have some music playing. I believe that's by, let me check real quick. You know what, I just want to be sure I give you the right information. Looks like it's going to be music by Andy Braun Music. There's also going to be some bouncy time with three lunar landing moonwalk balloons, which is kind of cool. So they'll also have some face paintings and face tattoos, sidewalk chalk to really brighten up the evening. You can also bring your swimsuit or even your kids if you just want them to get a little cool off and cool down. There's that remodeled area over there with the splash pad, which is kind of cool. So it's supposed to be a hot one. Why not do a little cool off and have some family fun doing it, right? Some extra highlights we're going to have over in this little National Night Out thing is we're going to have the Menomonee Falls Fire Department water shower. You're going to be able to tour the Waukesha County Tactical Team Bearcat, which is kind of cool for the kids to see. The FBI will also have a little thing here. The DNR will have a thing here. And of course, the Menomonee Falls Police Department will also have something here, which is kind of cool. And of course, let's not forget, there's going to be the Rec Department booth. You can learn about all the stuff that they have coming up in the area. You have the Optimus Club popcorn wagon, which is always here from 6 to 9:30. Let me just check. Yeah, it's right across me, 6 to 9 o'clock. So you can come and get some delicious popcorn as well and support a good cause while doing so. And you also will have the Land and Menomonee Falls Lions Club here with a booth as well. So you can come and see a whole bunch of stuff and support local community things and let your kids have some fun if you have them. Otherwise, just come out and chat with people, have a good time, and just enjoy the festivities. And that's all I got for you. I hope you found that information helpful, and I look forward to seeing you here out on Tuesday. And if I don't see you then, well, I'll see you in the next video.